Okay, you film a statue in a park. Nothing special. Then you type 6 words. Make the sculpture out of bubbles. And in seconds, same statue, same shape, same lighting, but now it's made entirely of drifting, translucent bubbles. That's not a filter. That's not a preset. That is Gemini Omni Flash, Google's newest AI model, now live inside Google Flow. I'm Winnie, and today I'm breaking down every feature from Google's biggest Flow update yet. What each one does, and what it actually looks like when you use it. Let's go.
Gemini Omni Flash is a model that combines Gemini's intelligence with Google's generative media models. The result is an AI that doesn't just generate video, it understands it, edits it, and remembers everything you've done before. 3 things make it special. Natural language editing. You don't click tools or drag sliders, you just describe what you want, and every instruction builds on the last. Character consistency. Your characters look exactly the same across every scene you generate. Same face, same style, same identity, no matter how many clips you make. Real footage plus AI. You hand Omni a video you shot on your phone and use prompts to transform it into something you could never have filmed yourself. Omni Flash is live now for Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers and free on YouTube Shorts this week. You upload a forest clip, make it moonlit. Done. Then add fireflies in the background. They appear glowing, moving naturally without touching the lighting you just changed. Every prompt stacks. Your character has curly red hair and a leather jacket. You generate scene 1 in a coffee shop.
Wow, this is easily the best latte I have ever had here.
Scene 5 on a rooftop. Scene 9 in the rain. Without Omni, she might look slightly different each time. With Omni Flash, she's identical in every single scene. Your world holds together. You film yourself walking down your street. You type, "keep my movement, but make it look like a neon-lit cyberpunk city." Omni keeps your real walk and wraps an entirely new world around it. You film the performance, Omni built the world.
Hey everyone, I am just exploring this amazing street today. I can't believe how many cute little cafes are around here.
The Google Flow agent is your always-on creative partner. It doesn't just generate things, it thinks through your entire project with you. It can brainstorm ideas, suggest plot directions, write dialogue, generate multiple versions of a scene so you can compare them, and batch edit across your whole project at once. The Flow agent is live right now, globally, for all Google Flow users. No extra subscription needed. You're making a short thriller, and you're stuck after the opening scene. You tell the agent, "My character just found a letter that wasn't meant for her. Give me 3 directions the story could go." It gives you 3 distinct paths: psychological, action-driven, slow-burn mystery. You pick one. Then say, "Draft the dialogue for the confrontation scene." It writes it. You're never staring at a blank page. You have clips for a music video, and you want them all to feel washed out and overexposed. Instead of adjusting each clip one by one, you tell the agent, "Apply a bleached film look to all clips." Done across all 20 at once. What would have taken an hour takes seconds.
Break the silence, fill our silence, find the light. Break the silence, find the light.
2 more things before we wrap. Flow tools. You can now build your own custom workflows inside Flow using plain natural language. No coding needed. Just describe what you want the tool to do, and Flow builds it. You can even share your tools with the whole Flow community. And finally, mobile apps. Google Flow is now live on Android in beta, with iOS coming soon. Create on the go. No desk required. Subscribe for every AI tool update as it drops. See you in the next one.